Well, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I have got my Fab Fit Fun Box for the winter. It's the winter box. I just got thinking, I thought, I never put up my fall box. Well, you know what? It's on my computer, I think. And if I can get it edited, I'll try to upload it too. So you'll have two of them, and I'm really late on one. Y'all excuse me. This weather's got me so messed up. But yes, this is the Fab Fit Fun. This is a quarterly box. Comes every 3 months. You get the fall, you get the summer, spring, fall, and winter. And I think it's $49.95, but now you get about probably a couple $100 worth of stuff in it most of the time. So, but I really like getting this. And you fill out a little survey, and are you more interested in fitness or skincare? And you know, you do a little survey, so it kind of, you know, fits you a little bit too. So, but let's get started. I'm going to set it down on a chair right here. So if I step out of the shot, that's why. All right, the first thing, it comes also with like a little newspaper here, like a magazine. It kind of tells what's in it. You know, describes some of the products and all that. And then let's see, the first thing, let me lay that right there. The first thing, I don't have no room to set nothing down here, is, I have no idea. Let's open it and see. Looks like two little Frisbees. Y'all, I have no idea what this is. I am absolutely Get Fit with Brooke Burke. Brooke has created exclusive videos to show you how to use your fitness sliders to enhance all kinds of workouts, including cardio. Y'all, I don't have a clue what to do with this. Sliders? Right here. I thought it was, they'd make good little Frisbees. I don't know what you do with these. I guess I'm just going to have to Google it. Let's see. Warning, something about exercise, used only as intended and directed. Okay, y'all, I don't have a clue. They're calling them workout sliders. I have no idea, but I can seriously see me injuring myself using these, regardless of how you use them. So, now here's something that's more my speed. A blanket, a fuzzy blanket. Okay, this is a keep in touch throw, like a little throw, and it's 50 inches by 60 inches, 100% acrylic, so kind of and it looks like it may have a little, like some fringe on it, so a little throw, that's neat. You can use that after you've hurt yourself on the sliders, I guess, huh? The only sliders I'm familiar with is the kind that, the little bitty hamburgers that you eat. That's the only kind of sliders I'm familiar with. All right, we also got this from Anthropology Beauty. It is a coconut sugar sea whipped body cream, and y'all, you usually get like full-size products in here too. Okay, so, but coconut sugar, ooh, that just sounds good, don't it? And then we have the, okay, don't know how to say it, ORIBE Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. So let me open this box and kind of see. I love dry shampoo, y'all. I use way more dry shampoo than anything, so. And that's a good, y'all, that's a good size bottle, look. So, it's Gold Lust Dry Shampoo, shampooing sec. Shake well, spray 8 to 10 inches from your scalp. Tousle with fingers. Brush through until the product's completely absorbed. Huh, okay. I will give that a try. I've never heard of that. So, that's going to be interesting to use. We also got this Moroccan Gold Series. This is a treatment mask for intense care for dry and damaged hair, okay? Another hair product. And like I said, you fix this to however you want to, you know, whatever you're going to use. If you're more of an exerciser, they'll give you more exercise stuff. And see, that, y'all, that's a good size jar right there. And it is a Moroccan hair mask. I need to use that, so. I didn't use a lot of stuff like this years ago because I've always had real oily hair, but now, since menopause, not no more. So, menopause fixed that little problem for me. Let's see, we have also got this, this is a Hava Hydration Cream Mask. Hydrate. Got that. And then, this is a BLAQ. This is an eye mask with hyaluronic acid. So, got eye mask. So, let's see. I don't know. I'm getting a whole bunch of them. I think maybe it's the way of them telling me that I'm getting old and I got too many wrinkles. So, all right. There looks like there's two more. Yep, two more things here, y'all. One of them is an eyeshadow palette by Pure. All right, Pure Be Your Selfie is the name of it. Okay, and then pull the paper off. So, and there's the colors. That's pretty, isn't it, y'all? I like that. I'll be using that. I love the Pure makeup. And then, let's see, there was one other thing. Oh, here it is. This is a Brilliant Eye Brightener by Thrive Cosmetics. Now, I have been hearing a lot about them, y'all, Thrive Cosmetics. And this is it right here. Can you see? By Thrive Cosmetics. So, I guess you can use it, you know, in the inner corner in the waterline. Shine bright with long-lasting champagne shimmer. Powered by ring light technology. How about that? It brightens and opens your eyes. Okay, to use, apply to brow bone, lids, and waterline and corners of eyes. So, yeah, it's just you can use it any which way you want. All right, y'all, I think that's it. Now, here's the deal. When I upload my fall box, when I went to clean out the box and throw the box away, I had gotten a beauty blender in it that I didn't know I had. I found it. So when I upload my fall one and you look at it, I also got a beauty blender. I'll try to put it in the description somewhere. So, but that's it, y'all. That is my winter Fab Fit Fun Box. So, but y'all, I hope you're ready for Christmas. I'm kind of, sort of not. I've got to go get some stocking stuffers today. My grandgirls, my daughter's taking my grandgirls on a trip. They're going on like a trip. And so we're just going to give them money to go toward the trip. Well, all right, y'all. Well, listen, you take care. I hope you have a great Christmas. And I'll talk to you guys later. And God bless.